to me dangerous. Been so lost without you all around me. Get anxious.
So this is the hair I'm gonna be installing today. This is a 24-inch body wave U-part wig from UNICE Hair. This is how the U-part looks like. This wig comes with the open space and the middle part where you're supposed to have some leave out placed in there. What I did to basically get the perfect size on my leave out, the perfect amount of leave out, is I took my comb and I use it as a measuring guide, and then I placed it close to in the middle of my U part, and I marked it with the eyebrow pencil so I know where exactly my U part leave out space stops in comparison with the comb. And then I measured that in my head as well, and I did the same thing to get the width of my leave out. Super simple. And for the front part of my hair, what I basically did is just picked a tad bit, you know, my baby hairs and maybe a little more, not too much. So I'm gonna start with the installation of the wig. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut this little thing that's holding the wig together, because we do not need that. Now that we have done that, I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. Really easy to install, to be honest. Like, I'm just gonna place it, and then we just need to like put the clips on, and then I'm gonna move on to really styling the hair.
City's on fire, in hell,
to slow down time. I'm down on my mind. I'm building a still to slow down time.
Claps.
So this is what my hair looks like with just, you know, right after straightening the hair. As you guys can see, I really didn't need much of my hair in the front. This is just to get that natural hairline look, because you don't want to have your natural hair here and then you can see the sides of the wig. I don't know why my part never wants to part like right here in the front. It's always that one piece of hair that goes to the right, but you see what I'm saying? It's never straight line. There's always that little piece of hair that never wants to go. Well, my forehead said hello. I love me a U part, but this forehead that just came out, I don't know. I don't know.
Claps.
This hair is about to give major soft girl, y'all. I'm excited. It's literally just use some wax stick on top of your hair to get rid of those flyaways, and you should be good, guys. Honestly, didn't even need to do all of these. This is just personal preference. This is how I like to wear my body wave wigs. Okay guys, so we have reached the end of the video. I fixed my makeup a little bit so I can, you know, match up with the hair energy I'm giving right now. So yeah, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. It looks so natural. It looks like I just got a sew-in or tape ins. You guys already know how the girlies be doing it on Instagram. That's what I'm giving. But yeah, like that's how great U-part wigs are. If you really are not sure on, you know, what kind of style you want to go for, like honestly I would say start by trying a U-part wig. This one is, as you guys can see, a really good option. I'm gonna have these hair linked in my description box, as well as other links and other details about the wig that I think might be important for you guys to know. But anyways guys, like I said, we have reached the end of the video. I'm absolutely in love with this hair, and I know you are in love too. So don't forget to check my description box for all the good details. Like this video, yes, because you know it's only gonna do good for your girl. And leave a comment in the comment section letting me know what you thought about this quick and easy tutorial. And yeah guys, I will see you on my next video. Muchísimos besitos. Bye.
Kiss me dangerous, been so lost without you all around me.